In this video, I will teach you how to build affiliate marketing landing page step by step. The tools we are going to use is systeme.io, and this is the reason why I always recommend systeme.io is because you can start using it for free. It's completely free. It is when your business starts growing, then you can upgrade to paid fashion. Do you understand now? So the first thing you are going to do is to create your free account on systeme.io. Do you understand? In the description below this video, there is a link to create your free account. Go and click on it, and it will redirect you to this interface. Then put your Gmail here, put your active Gmail here, and click this side. Click here. When you click on it, you are going to receive message on your Gmail, on your mailbox, and click on that mail, on that email message, and it's going to open. Then put all your information, your name, and you can be able to create your own account. Do you understand right now? So I'm just going to log into my own account because I have my own account before. Do you understand? And when you create your account, this is how it's going to look like. Do you understand? This is exactly how it's going to look like. Do you understand right now? So before we get started in this tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so you don't miss any of my video. Like this video, then share it for more people to see. You understand? And after you finish watching this video, if you have any question you want to ask, write it in the comment section and I will answer you. Now let's get started, guys. uh the first thing you are going to do, you can see here, you can see when you go to site, then go to sales funnel, and it's going to look like this. And you can see this side, you can see create. Click on create, and it's going to look like this. Then put uh use any name to create your landing page. Do you understand right now? I'm just going to use landing page. You understand? For the title, then I will click on build an audience. Do you understand right now? I will choose build an audience, and I will scroll down, then change your currency to USD and click on save. And when you click on save, it's going to look like this. Then open your landing page. You understand right now? So when you open your landing page, you will have option in the page, thank you page. But we are going to delete this. We are going to remove the first one. We are going to remove it because we only need only one page, only landing page. And we are going to remove the second one. Do you understand? So you are going to come back to this side. You can see add step. Click on add step and name your landing page. Let's say I'm just going to say sales page. Then you can see type. Click on sales page as well. Then you can see choose a template. Then click save, and it's going to look like this. Do you understand right now? So the next thing you are going to do is to scroll down until you see uh, the template that can help you achieve what you want to achieve. Do you understand right now? So let me click on 30, and it's going to bring more. Do you understand? Let's scroll until we see the one that can help us achieve our goal. Then I think we should, let's scroll down more. Let me check this. Okay, let's scroll down more. Just look around. Just look around until you see the one that will help you achieve what you want. Now let's use this. Let's go for this. We can preview it. You can preview it. Preview funnel. So preview it first and look at it, check it. If you like it, do you understand? If you like it, then you go for it. And if you don't like it, you understand? If you don't like it, you go back to sales funnel and you click on change page templates. Do you understand right now? But let's just use this as an example. Then you rename this. You rename this. You can say affiliate, affiliate, affiliate landing page. Here you don't give space. Do you understand right now? Then you mark it. Okay, it does not valid. Affiliate landing. Let's use this and see. It does not work as well. Okay, let's just use. Okay, let me use advertising. Let's see. this is work. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to go to edit page. Click on edit page. Now let's design our page to our taste. Do you understand right now? So the first thing you are going to do is to scroll like this. The first thing is to try and remove everything you don't want on your page, because want you just want to focus on your product. You don't want distraction on your page. When people visit your page, you don't want something else to distract them. So you want them to focus. So you just make sure you remove everything that you don't want on your page. Just click on it and click on remove. You can see this, then click on delete and click on OK. Do you understand right now? Now let's say we want to just edit this. I'm gonna click on it. I will highlight everything and I will write, for example, let's say my product is how to create a YouTube YouTube channel. You understand? Or 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 let me say how to run Facebook ads. You understand right now? Then you highlight it. You can make it bold, you can italic it, you can underline it, you can change the color. Do you understand? Click here to change the color. You can change the color to red. You understand right now? And you can see. Then you can change the font size as well. You can, when you click on it, you can reduce the size here. You understand? You can reduce the size. You can reduce the size. You can reduce the height. You understand? You get it? Then scroll down. You can change the front size. If you don't like this front size, you can change it to another front size. You understand? Let me highlight it. And I will choose custom font. You understand? So you can change the front size. Let's scroll down as well. You can change the background color to white. The background color, you can see right now you have changed the background color to white. And now let's go down. You can, the padding, can reduce the, you can check the padding. If it is too up, you can reduce it. You understand right now? You can reduce it. So that is how it is for that. So the next thing, okay, you can edit this as well. You can say, okay, step step by step tutorial. You understand right now? Can edit this as well. You highlight it, you change the color. You can change the color to this. You see it right now. You get it? And the next thing you want to do, you can see when you are creating a landing page for affiliate marketing, video is always better than writing. Do you understand? People prefer watching video. Do you understand? So this is what you are going to do to add video of that explain little about your product. Do you understand? So immediately they watch that video, it will take them to now that video will convince them to buy your product. Do you understand? So this is what you are going to do to add video. Scroll down to where it says video. Find video. You can see video. Where it says video. Can see video. Then drag it here. Oh, where is it? Okay. You can see the video here. Let me drag this one down. I want down before the video. Okay. Let me delete it again. I want to delete it again. I want it to be before this. Let me drag it again. Okay, can see now. So this video now, I'm just gonna click on it. Can see. So when you click on it, Let me show you something. You can see direct link. The best way to upload your video is to go and post that video on YouTube and copy the link of that video and put it here. You understand? Then the video will be available here. And now let me go and just try it. Let me do it so you see what I mean. Let me try it. Let me go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. I will just use one example, one video to show you the example of what I mean. You understand? And I'll go to channel. And you can go to my channel to watch different video about landing page. Do you understand right now? Now let's say I want to use this video. I will click on share and I will copy the link of this video. Let me go back to and I'll post that link here. Control V, and you can see the video is here. Now let's say this video is about how to run Facebook ads. You understand? So this video will teach them little and confuse them buy the product. You understand right now? So when you click on this video, you now go to this side, you can see autoplay, you will have it. You don't want this video to start playing when visitor come. They should click on it to watch it. And here, you understand right now? So after that, there's another option that you can use to upload your video. When you click on directly, you will see upload file. When you go to upload file, then you click here to upload your video and it can come in. Do you understand right now? So direct link, I'm gonna paste this link again. Do you understand right now? So let us delete everything that is on our page right now. I'm gonna delete all this because we don't want distraction. Let me delete everything. I'm going to delete everything. Just come to this side and click on delete and see delete, delete. Let me remove all this at once. Good, good. Delete. And if you want to add something else, you can add. Do you understand now? Let's remove everything on our page. Do you understand? Now, the next thing we are going to do is to work on this. Let's move it down small. Let me go to padding. When you click on it, go to padding to move it down a little bit. Let's go to padding. Padding. Let's move it down a little bit. Okay, wait. Margin. Okay, go to margin. You can see right now. You can see and let's move this as well down a little bit. When you scroll down, you check, you go to margin. No, down. Want it to come down a little bit. Now that is how it is. Then you scroll down, you can move this up a little bit. You can move it up a little bit. Just come down to margin. You see. Now, and this, you move it down to make sense. Do you understand now? Okay. Okay. Margin. Okay, now let's leave it like this. And the next thing we are going to do is this button. Want to work on this button. Then you click, go to setting. and you go to setting and you come to this side, you see um uh open URL or next step URL. Do you understand? When you see next step URL, do you understand? Action when button clicked, next step URL. Let me check this. Open URL. Open URL. Okay, you click open URL and you put your affiliate link here. Do you understand? Put your affiliate link here. So when people, after they finish watching your video and they click here, you understand? It will take them to your affiliate link so they can buy your product. Do you understand right now? So let's customize this button now. So this button, you want to customize it, you can say you can get more sales today. You can change it to get access now. Get access now. You understand? And you can remove this. Let me change it to capital letter. Get access now. You understand? And then we go down. We can remove this. We don't want. Can remove this. Then the front size. We can remove. We can make it a little more bigger. Do you understand? Then can change the color if you want. Can change the color to either blue, either green. Do you understand? Can change the color. Can make it curve. Let me click on it again. Let's go down. Let's scroll down, and you can see this corner radius. Can see, make it curve. Do you understand right now? So then you click on save. You understand? You click on save. You understand? So when now let's preview and let's see how it look on mobile, because some people will use mobile to check to visit your landing page. Can now, I think it's, you can see this one now. It doesn't look nice on mobile. Then we scroll it down a little. Let's go down and go to, let's go to margin. You can see now. Now it look nice. Do you understand? Now it look nice. Do you understand? And we can this we can also make it a little, we can make it bold. Do you understand? And we can change the color maybe to yellow. You can see it right now. Then we want to reduce it down a little bit. Let's go to margin. Let's go down to margin. You understand right now? Now you can see that it's look nice now on mobile. Then you click on save. Then let's preview it back. Do you understand right now? So this is how it's going to look on a laptop, and this is how it's going to look on mobile when someone visits with mobile. Do you understand right now? So we click on save, and we are going to go to this side, our sales page again, and let's refresh it. Let's refresh. Hey, we cannot find the page. Okay, it's another page that I open. I've changed the name. I've changed the name. Let me go back. Let me go back, and I will, then let's copy this and let's open in another page. Control V, paste, and you can see it. This is how it is, guys. So this is a step by step how to create a landing page, affiliate marketing landing page. Do you understand right now? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my video. Like this video, then share it for more people to see. If you have any question, guys, put it in the comment section and I will answer you. See you in another video, guys. One love.